Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Hostinger affiliate earnings, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Hostinger affiliate earnings, start by logging into your Hostinger account. Navigate to the affiliate section on your dashboard. Here, you will see your total earnings and any pending commissions. Next, click on the withdrawal option. You will be prompted to choose your preferred payment method. Select from options such as PayPal, bank transfer, or other available methods. After choosing a payment method, enter the required details. Make sure to double-check the provided information for accuracy. Review the minimum withdrawal amount to ensure you meet the criteria. If your earnings exceed the minimum threshold, proceed to the next step. Click on the Request Withdrawal button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your withdrawal request has been submitted. Withdrawals are typically processed within a few business days. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding your withdrawal status. For any issues or inquiries, contact Hostinger's affiliate support team. Be sure to monitor your email for notifications about your withdrawal. Once processed, your earnings will be directed to your chosen payment method. Stay updated on affiliate promotions to maximize your earnings further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.